Hello, welcome back, my dear students of class 11th. Dear student, I am Rajendra Rai, your biology teacher from LPM Public School, Golabaya, Gorakhpur. My dear students, I would like to state over here that there are several classes, as I have discussed to all of you. One thing which is missing to complete the phylum Chordata, and that is the explanation of superclass species. So, as far as the cycloinstrumenta is concerned, about the cycloinstrumeta, I have stated, I have detailed, and the superclass species has to be explained in the video, as well as that has to be explained in the class also. Because earlier I was known that probably you have completed this superclass PC, but as far as the status is concerned, when I have checked, I found that this superclass species has to be explained in the class as well as in the lecture video also. So today I will take up the topic, that is the superclass species. So this is class 11 biology, and my dear students, this class this superclass species. So let us start superclass species. Pisces. Superclass Pisces. And as far as Pisces are concerned, the Pisces are the aquatic animals. The main peculiar feature of the Pisces are that they are the Pisces are the aquatic chordates. Aquatic chordates. And these aquatic chordates are modified for the sustainable living, in water, because as far as their structure are concerned, they are superclass Pisces. This is Pisces. They are several modifications. They are having the several modifications in their body, and the modifications are the position of their mouth, presence of their eyelids. They are having the jaws. They are having the gill slits. Gill slits covered with the operculum, and their limbs get modified into the fins, lateral fins, posterior fins, and dorsal fins. So their fins are modified in such a way that they can easily swim in the water, they can easily dive in the water, they can come on the surface of the water, and so on. तो अब हम जब डिस्कस कर रहे हैं सुपर क्लास पाइसिस का, तो ये देखते हैं कि सुपर क्लास पाइसिस हैविंग टू classes, two classes. And these classes are Chondriachthyes and Osteichthyes. Chondriachthyes and Osteichthyes. This is superclass. This is superclass, and this is divided into class Chondriachthyes, 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 Y, Chondriachthyes. Superclass class Chondriachthyes, and second class is Osteichthyes. Osteichthyes. So here let us see Osteichthyes. Class Ost, that is Osteichthyes, superclass Osteichthyes, EICH, YES. So this superclass species is having two classes, and that classes are class Chondriachthyes and class Osteichthyes. So dear student, as far as the superclass species is concerned, their features are like they are aquatic. As far as their habitat are concerned, they are aquatic. Gills are found. Gills are present. Operculum present. Fins present for fins present. Oviparous. Some are the viviparous also. Somewhere they are performing the internal fertilization, and somewhere they are performing the external fertilization. Some are the viviparous also. They are mostly oviparous, and some Osteichthyes, Chondriachthyes are viviparous also. Okay, so Osteichthyes. They are poikilotherms, poisoning stings, electric organs. So, my dear students, these are the common features of the oviparous or viviparous. Oviparous or viviparous. This is most important thing, that class Pisces, superclass Pisces are having the viviparous animals. My dear students, these are the common features of all the Pisces. And when you go through the two classes, the features of the two classes, then you will find that there are some yes, they are cold blooded, they are cold blooded, cold, इसमें नहीं, इसमें कोई क्लास नहीं है, क्लास लिखा है, हाँ 9D लिखा हुआ, 9D का, they are cold blooded, they are cold blooded and they are they perform the different they are cold blooded and they are called poikilotherms. Cold blooded are called poikilotherms. So my dear student, now come to the specific features of this class Chondrichthyes and class Osteichthyes, so that you can compare the feature from the Ptyces. These are the common features which are found in Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. But if you compare the features of Osteichthyes and Chondrichthyes, then you will find certain differences among the Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. देखो बच्चों, जो कार्टिलेज होता है, कार्टिलेज हमारे शरीर के अंदर भी होता है, एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन में भी होता है। जैसे कि नोज है, तो नोज में जो एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन है, दिस नोज इज हैविंग द कार्टिलेज, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज फ्लेक्सिबल। आवर पिन्ना, दिस इज द एक्सटर्नल ईयर, दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्टिलेज, ये कार्टिलेज का बना होता है। और इंटरनल ऑर्गन में भी कार्टिलेज होता है, लेकिन हड्डियों में, हड्डी बोन्स आर द वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बोन कैन नॉट बी कार्टिलेज and cartilage cannot be termed as the bone because of the heavy deposition of the calcium and magnesium phosphorus in the bones. That is why the bones are strong and solid, enough solid. So these are the differences in between the cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. Mainly these are the cartilaginous fishes. तो इनको कहा जाता है Chondrichthyes को, these are the cartilaginous fishes, cartilaginous fishes, they are the cartilaginous fishes. जबकि यहाँ पर क्या है, they are the bony fishes, bony fishes, they are the bony fishes. तो यही फर्क हो गया इंटरनल एक्सकेलेटन, सेकेंड इंटरनल skeleton is made up of cartilage, and here internal skeleton is made up of internal skeleton is made up of bones. So my dear students, notocard is persistent throughout the life. Operculum are formed. Placoid scales their jaws are powerful. Their jaws are powerful. So, operculum found this. Gills present. तो हम ये देखते हैं यहाँ पे these are the common features aquatic. This, 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 and this. So these are the common features. You can add these common features with either chondriichthyes or osteichthyes. Dear students, come to the next, that is the jaw. Third one, mouth and jaw is present at lower side. Means at ventral side. Lower side means lower or ventral. Ventrally situated इनके माउथ और जॉ होते हैं वेंट्रली, इसको बोलेंगे वेंट्रल। जो नीचे होता है उसको वेंट्रल बोलते हैं, जो ऊपर होता है उसको डॉर्सल बोलते हैं। So lower ventral mouth and jaws are present at lower or ventral side. कैसे होता है ये आप देख लीजिए। Suppose this is a face. Suppose this is a face. Then this face is having the jaw, the lower side. This is the ventral side. Why in this three mouth and jaw present at interior side. इंटीरियर साइड का मतलब ये हो गया कि इनमें जो है वो so suppose this is this and this is jaw and their jaw is found in the interior side. So this is the difference in between the chondriichthyes and osteichthyes. And now their fertilization is internal. Or chondriichthyes fertilization internal, and many of them are viviparous. Internal fertilization. Internal fertilization. Internal fertilization, and many of them are viviparous. तो इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन का होते हैं वो बॉडी के अंदर होते हैं, और ये वीवी पैरस है। They are having the poison, they are having the poison sting and electric organ. Electric organ, and poisonous sting. Poisonous sting. Electric organ and poisonous sting are there. Okay? And not only this, the examples are Scoliodon, Pristis. This Pristis is having long jaw, that is a saw-like jaw. So examples are Scoliodon, Pristis, sea dogfish and sawfish, dogfish, sawfish and great white shark. एग्जाम्पल हो गए इसके डॉगफिश, सी हॉर्स, डॉगफिश, सी हॉर्स, शार्कफिश, etc. and white shark. So these are the chondriichthyes. They are having the cartilage. They are not bony fishes. But my dear student, as far as the bony fishes are concerned, they are having the air bladder. Now the evolutionary trend starts from this chondriichthyes, osteichthyes. That air bladder is present. Air bladder is present for buoyancy. Just if they want to come on the upper surface of the water, then this air bladder will help them. Operculum found, this operculum found, and the fertilization is usually external. Mostly they are external fertilization, and mostly they are oviparous. Example: rohu, katla, and other fishes, other freshwater fishes. So these fishes are found in fresh water only, but these fishes are marine fishes. Marine fishes means they are found in salty water, means sea water. They are the marine fishes, they are the fresh water fishes. So my dear students, this is the enough explanation of superclass species, that is having two classes, osteichthyes and chondriichthyes. My dear student, thank you for watching this video. You have to learn this explanation of the comparison of the class of the Osteoarthritis and chondriasis under the superclass PC. Thank you. Good day.